historically, the calorie requirements to keep, let's say, the typical body going is about, like when we're calculating nutrition replacement in the hospital, it's about 30 calories, 25 to 30 calories per kilogram. So, for a 70 kilogram adult male, that's about 2,100 calories. So that's a rough idea of the calorie requirements. Now, if you're exercising, it's a little bit more, but there are ways to do these resting metabolic rates where they can kind of calculate what your probable calorie baseline is. You can do it yourself by counting your calories on a weekly basis. Roughly idea, get a calorie book, and then assuming you're staying at a stable weight, let's just say for the last 3 weeks you've stayed at X weight, and you just calculate how many calories. Basically, that's your baseline calorie requirement for your body, the way you're born, is weight. And to lose a pound means decreasing your calorie intake. Does anybody know the answer to that? 3,000 calories. So that means if you're, let's say you've decided to eat 1,200 calories a day, you're counting it, and you know that your maintenance, because you've done your maintenance calculation, so your maintenance might be 1,800. And that's, you're eating 1,800 calories, you're not gaining, you're not losing, that's your maintenance. And so if you only eat 1,200, so that's 600 calorie deficit per day. So in 5 days, you lose 1 pound. That seems kind of frustrating when you think of it in those terms. So a good goal then is, that's where a 300 calorie handful of nuts can really be harmful on, they don't really provide much in the way of long-lasting, feeling of fullness. That's a 300 calorie bolus of nuts that you didn't need. And so that's why attention to the minor details of snacks, slider foods, soft foods, and sipping can be really critical.